Meet the Porsche 963 RSP, a wild, one-of-a-kind machine born straight from the racetrack. This isn't a limited edition or a road-legal version meant for rich collectors. It's just one car, and it was built for Roger Penske, yes, that Penske, as a tribute to the legendary Count Rossi 917. At first glance, it looks like the race-ready 963 tearing through IMSA and WEC. But look closer, and you'll spot subtle touches, a special silver paint job, leather and Alcantara interior, and even fan-shaped air vents inspired by the classic 917 engine. It's raw, but refined. Underneath, it keeps the hybrid V8 powertrain and sequential gearbox from the track version, tuned just enough to run on pump gas and handle public roads. Michelin rain tires, softer suspension, and even license plate mounts make it technically street legal. Just not fully. Only one person will ever drive this thing on the road. But for a brief moment, at Le Mans and soon at Goodwood, we all get to see what happens when Porsche says, "What if we didn't follow the rules at all?"